guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this pineapple. I am going to be using all Dixie Belle chalk paint colors, and the first one I'm going in with is Daisy. Next I'm going to go in with Colonel Mustard. Following that, I'm going to go in with Flamingo, and I'm going to finish off with Florida Orange. And where each of these colors meet, I'll just blend in a little bit with a brush that I've wiped the majority of the paint off with. If your paint begins to dry, you can always dip it in a little water in order for the colors to blend better. I'm going in with Limeade for the top of my pineapple. And the brushes I'm using are the ones on our website. I'm just going in with my Tecpo heat gun. I've really enjoyed using this just to dry everything in order to be able to go ahead and complete my next step. This way I'm not having to wait for it to just air dry naturally and take forever. This has saved me a lot of time. So once I am done with my heat gun, I'm going to go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker. And I'm going to use this marker to do some hand lettering and just write "Welcome to our patio" on it. And you could go in and write whatever you wanted to, a last name or a cute little phrase. And don't forget, you can use vinyl on this if you wanted to. If you're not feeling comfortable with the hand lettering, vinyl works just as well. Just make sure everything is dry before you use the vinyl. And my recommendation with this though is that the more you do it, the better it is going to look. Practice makes better, I always say. So I like to kind of do this whenever I get the chance, just to kind of get better and better over time. And then I'm going to use that marker to outline. And on my outline where my pineapple is, the body of my pineapple, I'm going to do a little outline and then 2 dots and then just connect it that way. And then I'm going to go in with cotton and a number 4 round, and I'll use that to highlight everything. You guys know I love to highlight, and same with that. Practice makes better. And that is all for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoy it and have a wonderful day.